What's up, guys? It's House. Just wrapping up a fishing day. I fish every day pretty much before and after work, record some of the stuff that I do. Mainly do fishing in the West Branch of the Neshaminy or some ponds that are nearby. But today I decided to throw out some new baits that I got. I got a Pop Max here from Megabass. Share that off. Nice little top water, has little front slits in the mouth, and then comes out the gills. I wanted to see how this would do in a creek. The creek that I usually fish is roughly about a foot deep, and it gets up to 3 to 4 feet deep. So most times I'm wading in it with water shoes or some waders. That's what I threw out today. And also, when they aren't really biting, or summer bass aren't really biting that much, or they're a little bit smaller, I'll throw out a little Ned rig, a little Zman Ned rig. It's basically just a mushroom jig, stands straight up in the water like this, and it floats, or the top part floats up. I love this jig, and I also hate it, mainly because I love it because it catches a lot of fish. It catches anything from the little smallies that are like sub 1 pound, and I've caught in 3.98 pounds, or no, 3.83 pounds is the biggest smallie I've caught out of that little creek, and I've been catching 3-pound smallmouths on this tiny little rig. I actually had one break the hook off the jig itself, the little mushroom weight. That's why I don't like them. They tend to bend a lot. They bend them back, they get snagged all the time, so I have to get those out. And yeah, the hooks aren't very durable. I mean, this catches a lot of fish. I've probably caught 20 fish on this hook alone, and it's about time to retire it, because I can start feeling it wiggle a little bit. So that's the downside of these. I use a TRD Zman elastic, super elastic worm. I use the full-size 8s, and I just cut them in half. That way, save a little bit of money. But these things are super durable. I've literally used the same worm pretty much for the last 20 fish, and it's still running hard. And every once in a while, I'll just turn it around or cut a piece off, and it'll be fine. The last one is just my go-to. It's a 3/0 Gamma with a Biospawn Vilecraws. What color this is? This is candy grass. I also throw out Okeechobee, which is a black or bluish with blue flakes in it. I really like these. Use something like this, kind of green and black and blue. We have a lot of bluegills around this area, so a lot of times they'll rip off one of the legs. It becomes kind of like a swim bait after that. If it rips off both legs, then it kind of becomes a little finesse worm. So it has really good action in the water. I have a little parasite clip on the tip of it, just so it keeps the bait from moving around too much. So it's clipped on like this. I used to throw Senkos a lot. I kind of moved them to crawls, because crawls is pretty much what we have in our creeks, crayfish, or whatever you guys want to call it, or wherever you call it. But that's what's in the water, so that's what I throw. I'm using a Daiwa Zillion with a Daiwa Tatula Elite medium rod, 7'1", on 20-pound Floro. 20-pound Floro is a bit overkill for a creek, but I take this rod pretty much everywhere. My other setup is a Shimano Scorpion with braid on a St. Croix medium heavy. So my medium is more of my like creek finesse rod. I just toss that around everywhere, and it seems to do awesome. So here are the videos. Hope you guys enjoy, and welcome to the channel.
Whoa! That's a big fish. Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! That's a huge fish. Oh no, came off! Oh my god! That was huge! broke the whole hook off. He broke the entire hook off. Look at this. That was a massive small. He broke the whole hook off. Jesus Christ. Yep. A little squeaker. Went for that Vilecraws though. Yep, just a nice little squeaker. Later, buddy. Largemouth. I'll switch over to the Ned rig. Barely just got that guy. Of a largemouth. Knew it. Knew you were there. Oh. Yeah, he might shake himself off. Good. Feisty one. Alright. Come on. Yeah, knew he was there. Little small guy. Alright, off you go. Hooked up. Hooked up on something. Oh, come on. Really? Alright, well, yeah, sometimes you get these aggressive bluegills. Not a sunny. What the heck? There's another fish following me. Oh, cool. Nice little smallmouth. They were super aggressive. There's another guy trailing him. Good smallmouth. I might even try throwing topwater right here. I've yet to catch anything on my pop bass. I really want to. So we're going to do that. Are you kidding me? What? Are you kidding me? Got him. I knew it. They're so aggressive here. Super aggressive. Look at that. Wow. Got him good. Alright, I'm gonna have to take a picture real quick. thing is awesome. Alright. There we go. Super aggressive. Largy. In you go. That was awesome. I had a feeling that at that time of day where the water's cool enough, enough shade here that they'll hit top water. And I just caught a smallie, and then right after that, got the largemouth on the pot max.